Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from PhonePe to bank account in Nepal. This is gonna be easy. The first step we need to do, we need to go to our manage section, to manage payment section right here like this in our PhonePe uh, app. Right here we're gonna see this option right here. We need to scroll down and find this option called international. We're gonna click this option and then we can use this option called UPI international to send the money. We need to add uh, a bank account to start to send the money to other persons. In this case, we need to send money to Nepal, so we need to select Nepal once we're in sending the money. Okay, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.